In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro 1000 or 1000 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here to the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please proceed to the best match, double tap to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, directly navigate to the left side and please proceed with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with printers and scanners, place at the third option. So you will get an option like this. Click on add device and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. So once here, click on it, add manually. And this kind of window would appear. Go with add the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this option is, section is very important because you need to choose either of this three USB port. Okay. So no other than that. Click on next. And from here, you need to locate with HP. Okay. Please locate with the HP and the manufacturer. Okay, and please choose for the 3055 PCL5. Okay, so just choose for 3055 PCL5. Okay, in my case, I don't have such. Just have to run for Windows Update, and Windows Update is updating the list of printers. This might take a few minutes, so all you need to do is you need to wait. Okay, so please wait until you can get the option where you can see the 3055 PCL5. Okay, just wait until you can see select it and then install it. Okay, and once you have installed it, you need to click on finish, and in that way, you would be able to install a printer driver, which is the 1000 printer driver. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.